Hello. My experiences with interactive technologies as a student hasn't been very much. Since I was a student over 12 years ago. We just mostly use whiteboards. They did kind of start using the smart boards or interactive whiteboards when I was leaving. And I've seen it a couple times since then. I've, helped in a classroom or observed, and they do really use the interactive whiteboards a lot. For instance, right when they walk in, I had a teacher that had their morning message and little notes on what to do. So yeah, I think teachers use their interactive whiteboards and their projectors a lot. They depend on their technologies a ton these days. So the interactive whiteboard and remote I would choose would probably be the Promethean, because the times I have been in a classroom, those are the ones that I have used, and I really like them. I like that they are used a lot, and on the website, there's different kinds of panels that show what they're used for. They are on the website. It says that it's used for schools and districts to boost student achievement. When I did use them in the classroom, I thought they were easy to use, pretty self-explanatory. The ones I have dealt with had little pins that you could, touch what you wanted to do, highlight, mark. They had, it's pretty much like a computer, but on your whiteboard. So yeah, that's the one I would choose. That's probably the one I would use for the future. I myself am not tech savvy, so whatever thing I use, I have to be able to learn to use easy. And because I have dealt with the Promethean, I think I could adapt to it easily. And nowadays I can research it. The website's really easy to use. There's at the bottom, it, has help. So yeah. Okay, let's see. So clickers, I think clickers are an awesome thing. For instance, being a teacher, especially in the early ages, so like kindergarten first, you're not always going to have to be up by the whiteboard. You're going to have to be walking around, making sure students are on tasks. So having a clicker, being able to click through slideshows or click to the next page, while you're in the back of the classroom observing, I think that's awesome. And my research and prediction of, using clickers is just that. I think they're popular, like I said, so they're not stuck at their computer or their interactive whiteboard the whole time. And a lot of clickers now, like the one I researched, had a laser in it. So not only, are you able to click through the pages, you're able to point to what you're teaching, and stuff like that. So yeah.